'cause your rejection is so obvious, and I feel stupid, and I cry and I cry and I cry. But then I tell myself that it would be okay, but it's not true. I still love you, you keep me moving in and out of myself, moving left and right, moving forward and backward, moving in and out of myself, moving left and right, moving in the other direction. But instead of feeling like a fool, I will use you, and I will turn my lost love into something new. You see, a broken heart needs some fools. I need some shucks, otherwise I will stop moving in and out of myself, moving left and right, moving forward and backward, moving in and out of myself, moving left and right, moving in the other direction. But why should I stand still? I'm moving out of your heart, I'm moving to the next. I'm starting to care less, and oh, I'm moving into your heart. I'm finding someone new, I'm finding someone new, 'cause moving into my soul is so much better than moving on you. You keep me moving, you give me movement, you keep me moving out of myself, moving left and right, moving forward and backward, moving out of myself, moving left and right, moving in the other direction.